Hi guys, Alicia here, your Close to My Heart independent consultant, and I am here today with a new product from Close to My Heart. They have a new subscription box, a scrapbooking subscription box. I'm so excited about this. They send to you a cut above kit that's ready to put together. So a cut above kit, all you need is adhesive and maybe some foam tape if you want some dimension. So each kit will have two-page layouts, so 4 pages all together. And there's different subscription options. So I will leave all of that down below because you can order monthly, you can get a 4-month subscription or a year-long subscription. And of course, they're all different prices, the year-long being the best value. So you have to pay more money all at once up front, but it's cheaper per kit and you don't have to pay shipping. And what's awesome about the year-long subscription is you get 30 free prints to persnickety prints in each delivery box. And you get a delivery box 3 times a year with 4 kits. So that's 90 free prints a year, which is pretty awesome. Yeah, it's a great deal. And I mean, 4 pages per kit, that's 12 kits a year, that's 48 pages a year that you can just get done. That's like a whole album shipped to your door, easy peasy, beautiful layouts. What's nice is each month the kit matches or coordinates with the Close to My Heart product that we're featuring that month. So it's easy, you know, if you fall in love with a kit, it's easy to buy papers and compliments and all that kind of stuff that go really well with this. So you can make you can make more pages. You can build off of this. Or if you just want to stick to the subscription cut above kits, then that's, you know, they're going to look nice together also. So I'm just gluing down the photo placeholders. I love that Close to My Heart sends these because I never have my photos printed on time. I have a whole stack of pages actually I need to print photos for. So I'm going to definitely try to order some from Persnickety Prints. That's something I haven't used yet. I'm very excited. They have a phone app I downloaded the other day, and it looks really nice and easy. And then I also have my own little photo printer. Let me know down below if you guys want to see how I print out my photos at home. So now I'm just sticking down the embellishments, the compliments that are sent. And some of them are stickers, and then some of them are like punch-out papers. And so one thing I do when I don't have my photos in place and there's a sticker that kind of goes over a photo is I use the sticker backing, and I put it over, I guess under the sticker over the photo. Does that make sense? So it doesn't fully stick. You'll see in a second. First I'm going to glue. I love this little skinny glue pen from Close to My Heart. I don't think it's exclusive to Close to My Heart, but it's really cool. Comes out blue, and that's permanent adhesive, but if it dries a little, it's a removable or a temporary adhesive. Okay, so here I have my sticker backing on half of my sticker, and then the other half is sticky. So the sticky part will stick to the scrapbook page, and then the sticker paper is still over the picture, so I can slip a picture under there, remove the sticker backing, and we're good to go. And see I'm drying that glue a little bit so that it's still removable and I can still get the photo under there. So these pages, they come together really quickly, but they're really beautiful. And they're great. If you don't have time, you know, for big scrapbook layouts, this is a great way to keep up on your scrapbooking throughout the year. So now we are on to the second page. Get my photo mats in place. So the black mat behind my page is a Versa mat, and it is awesome for your measurements and stuff. It has all the little markings, and I'm sure I'm still normally crooked, but I'm at least evenly crooked, right? I like to pretend like I'm all precise, but I'm usually off. Oh, and I remembered I have to add a little something. So here I am again. I'm just cutting up that sticker background to use on the part of my sticker that's going to go over the photo. And I take the time to cut out around it because I want it to look cute, even though I don't have my photo in there yet. But you could just leave that big square on there if you know you're going to get your photos printed soon and you don't have to take the extra time. But I like to take, you know, photos of the pages and stuff, so I take that time to make it look a little cuter. Now these little sticker strips are for your journaling spot. Isn't that adorable? So instead of like a full sheet of paper, it's just a couple little strips. They're a little more interesting. And that's about it, guys. So a cute, simple layout, ready for pictures, ready to go. And I'll be back with you guys soon with the next layout. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!